everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a drop-down list from another drop-down list with Kutools for Excel. If you want to create a drop-down list from another one much more quickly and easily, the dynamic drop-down list feature of Kutools for Excel will be a good helper for you. First, select your data range, click the Kutools tab. In the range and cells group, click the drop-down list and select dynamic drop-down list. In the dependent drop-down list, in the output range, select your data range as A6 and B6. Press enter, and the number of output columns must be equal to the number of columns of the original data. And under the type, select the two levels dependent drop-down list. Click the OK button. And now the dependent drop-down list has been created. It has two sections, one for country. If you click the country in the second drop-down list, the country list will be appeared. And if you select the scenic spot from the first drop-down list, the list of scenic spots will be available for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.